Okay. I was just going to make up a pasta meal. And I gave each of the birds some pasta packets. Now, as you can see, yeah, they are pulling out the pieces. And they're not trying to break into the bag to get to it. They don't want to eat it. They just want to play with it. Same with this one. She pulled out a few pieces, threw them on the ground, and I put them back. But, yeah. I mean, it's not good for them to do that. Not good for them to ingest any pieces or get anything into the system. But at least they're not trying to hurt each other. Keeping themselves busy. So I'll take it away from them in a minute. Yes, dear. Oh, goodness. So this is just, yeah, another reason why, why foraging is good. And they just do it for the fun of it. Uh-oh. Yeah, you don't want to bother her while she's got the jar. Do you? What's she doing? Yeah. Alright, let's clean this mess up. Uh-oh. This could be dangerous. Ooh, so she opened up her beak. And Skye knew straight away that that's danger. You're just going to drop that in there? Nice. So yeah, you're the boss. She's the boss, right? And you got to start sticking up for yourself a little bit, Missy. Where are you? I can't see you. Where are you? You got to start sticking up for yourself. Right back. Yeah. Okay. Found something on the table you want to play with? You go do that. And then we'll put yours away while I cook. Okay? Okay. Obviously I'm not cooking inside. I prefer to cook outside, especially with Teflon. Anything smoky. Oh, that's not good for you. See, that metal is definitely not good for them. So I'm going to have to stop that. You can inspect it, but I'm going to have to take it away, okay? Okay. I mean, it's going to be impossible. There's no way she'll ever let me near that. It's hers now, right? I don't even want to try. I'll get a tea towel and grab the jar. Peekaboo! 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 Good girl. Good baby. Good baby. Good baby. Good girl. Good baby. Peekaboo. Good baby. Good girl. Peekaboo. Ah, you saw me. Peekaboo. Are you okay? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Who's a good girl? Good girl, good girl. Very good. Very good. Good girl, good girl. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Hey, good boy. Very good. Very good. No?